Installation was easy. This simple upgrade increased the value of our home.
Beautiful. It's going to make my garage look like $1 million. Thank you, GenStone.
We're just tickled to death with it, and we think it did add a tremendous amount of beauty to our home.
It's so easy to put up. You just need a saw, caulk gun, a square. Real simple stuff to do.
Very easy to work with, very good company to talk to, and if you have extra panels you don't need, you send them back and you get your money back.
My neighbors that are building a new house across the street wanted to know where I got this from. I told them, and they said that they want this GenStone on their house too.
I really do like the product. It's easy to work with. I get a lot of compliments on the stone.
I'd highly recommend this product. It looks great, we get compliments. It was easy to work with. Service was great. Very happy with the product.
Now we have this beautiful new front of our house that we absolutely love. It looks like a whole new house since we got our GenStone.
I'm very happy with the results, and more importantly, my wife loves it. Enough said.
I'm happy with the product, and I would recommend it to anyone who wants to use it.
You can see the GenStone matches perfectly the brick of the house. The finished product looks great.